In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Google Chat, enhancing your team collaboration by enabling you to receive Jira notifications, create issues directly from chat, and easily view issue details without interrupting your conversations. This setup will revolutionize the way your team interacts with tasks by keeping everything centralized and efficient. Before diving into the setup process, let's confirm that we have everything we need. To get started, ensure you're using Jira Cloud, as this integration isn't available for the Jira Server or Data Center editions. Also, make sure you have a Google Workspace account with the necessary permissions to install apps. In some cases, you might need your Jira administrator's approval for this integration. Once you're clear on these prerequisites, let's start integrating. To begin, the first thing you need to do is install the Jira app within Google Chat. Head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and find the Jira for Google Chat page. Once there, click the Install button and follow the on-screen prompts to add the app to your Google Chat environment. This process is straightforward, and the prompts will guide you step by step through the installation. Next, let's connect Jira to Google Chat. Open up your Google Chat and either start a direct message with the Jira app or navigate to a space where the app has already been added. Within this space, click the Connect button. You'll be prompted to log into your Jira Cloud account, so go ahead and do that. After logging in, select which Jira projects you'd like to receive notifications for in your Google Chat. Once you've made those selections, click Save to finish setting up this connection. Your Google Chat and Jira are now linked, and you're ready for the next steps. Now, we need to configure the notification settings to tailor them to your preference. In the direct message or space where the Jira app is active, type in the command Jira Settings and then press Enter. This will open up the notification settings. Here, you can adjust the settings according to how often you want to receive updates and for which issues. After you've fine-tuned everything just the way you want, click Save to enforce these new settings. Once your integration is live, numerous functionalities become available to you. You'll start receiving direct notifications about your selected Jira projects in Google Chat. Need to create a new issue? Just use the Jira Create command, and a new Jira issue dialog will appear for you to fill out. To view specific issue details, simply use the Jira View command followed by the issue ID. And should you need to adjust your notification preferences again, use the Jira Settings command at any time. If, at any point, you decide to disconnect, you can easily do so with the Jira Disconnect command to unlink your Jira account from Google Chat. I hope this guide has been clear and comprehensive, providing you with all the tools you need to seamlessly integrate Jira with Google Chat and transform your teamwork experience. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.